One of the reasons why Joe Warren and Sons is attractive is they listen. Joe and Chris, they're always open to discussions that you can express what ideas you may think are good, what may work. And Joe and Chris take all that information and they review it, and they look at it, and they don't just say nope or yes. They give you the reasons why they're looking at doing that kind of stuff. So I think that's one of the big things. With Joe Warren and Sons, we strive to make sure that the technicians have as much training as possible. We encourage technicians to get outside training. We also will send them to outside training. And then we have manufacturers coming here, and we use our test kitchen as well. We've actually had some where they'll do a Zoom training. So we've set up a piece of equipment here in the test kitchen. We set up tables and just like a classroom style. And the manufacturer, technical support, has actually zoomed in, and they've done a online training with our technicians here in the building.